everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Manya and today I will be redecorating our big bookshelf that we have here in our living room. We live in Germany now and we've had this bookshelf already when we lived in the Netherlands, and I decorated it the exact same way here as we had it when we lived there. So what happened a while ago is that one part of the bookshelf actually just came down in the middle of the night because we apparently hadn't attached all the necessary screws. This prompted me to think about what I want to change of the bookshelf. This is actually what it looked like before. And this is what the bookshelf looks like right now. Not very impressive. You know what? I'll just take you guys with me and show you some stuff. Okay, the situation now is that I have quite a few books laying on the ground. And this actually was about 4 times the amount. I actually took quite a lot of books away and put them in another closet or cabinet because I want to put more decor and actually also more plants on there and eventually family photos, but I haven't printed those yet and I'm still on the lookout for really good affordable plants. This is all the decor I currently have that I want to put on the bookshelf. Minus the fan, because that one's here. We've had a heat wave and today's the first day where I feel like I'm not dying because German houses do not have air conditioning. I also have this plant here and I'm thinking of putting it on there. But I'm also afraid of messing it up because it's doing very well here on the windowsill. So I don't know, still thinking about that. I'm actually going to leave those 2 rows like it is because we still have a lot of books and yeah. I'm not going to change this up. I got this painting at the flea market a few weeks ago, which I also did show in a video, and I want to put it up here. Oh, and I will also be removing this basket. I like to keep books in those wire baskets. I think it's a really good idea. Also, you don't have to have as many bookends that way. Okay. Few things are as powerful as love. I decided to put this mid-century vase up here. Hope it's not too big. Oh no. Okay. Oops. Here. That kind of works. This is what it looks like right now. Sorry if you can just see my arm, but I put my little envelopes there. And then this mid-century vase there, and this one there. Now we are tackling 2 bookshelves lower because this one just stays like it is. So this is actually the basket of books that was way up on the top shelf, so I'm going to put that here. I picked up these bookends at the flea market for only €2. So now I'm just going to get some books off the floor, and I think I'm going to put them on the right side. For this side, I decided to put my little elephant planter right here. I thrifted in the Netherlands a while ago. And then I think I will put a few books there. Got a few books, they all have a black spine. I decided to try what this little, what is it called? Something like money plant in English looks like. In Dutch it's called pancake plant. But I think when I light the candle it's probably not a good idea to have this sitting next to it. So I'll just do that for decoration purposes. But now I'm pretty much done with this shelf and then we're gonna move on to the one on the very bottom. This is what one half of the bottom shelf looks like right now. I'm gonna lean back so you can see. What I'm gonna do first is actually probably get my little really cool bookends. I don't know which one's my favorite. I think honestly the hands will probably always be my favorite because they are so cool. And then I'm adding this cross stitch that I thrifted in the Netherlands, and those two little wooden things that have fake succulents in them. If you like this video, make sure to check out these ones here on this side. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please do. I post new videos mostly about thrifting and vintage every single week. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye!